Hello everyone. Today we are going to write a Java program to find out if the given number is Armstrong number or not. What are Armstrong number? Armstrong number are those numbers whose sum of cubes of each digit is equal to the initial number. For example, like okay, like 153. This is the sum of cubes of each digit. Like cube of 1 is equals to 1 plus cube of 5 125, 5 into 5 into 5 plus cube of 3 27, 3 into 3 into 3. So 1 plus 125 plus 27 is equals to the initial number, that is 153. Another example is like 3 370, okay, equals to cube of 3 is 27, 27 plus cube of 7 7 7 49, 49 into 7, 49 into 7, 343, okay, plus 0, 343 plus cube of 0 is 0. So the number is 3 plus 7 10, okay, then 4 plus 5 12, no, 4 sorry, 4 plus 2 plus 1 7, okay, then 3. Another example is 371, okay. So let's move towards the program. Okay, first we define the class, but before we should import the input output package of Java to take an input from the console. Import java.io.asterisk, okay, then class Armstrong, then we defined the basic things, that is main function, public static void main string a arguments, okay. Let's save the program. Armstrong dot Java, okay. Now we use the buffer reader class. Buffered reader class of input output package. We defined a variable of buffer reader class equals to new buffer reader, and then we use new input stream reader class, input stream reader. In here we give system dot in to take an input, okay. Then we give the message to the user, system dot out dot println, enter the number, okay. To take we should store the number in some variable, and therefore we use int data type as the number is integer, and equals to integer dot parse int. In here we give the buffer reader variable dot read line method to read the integer, okay. Then we defined our Armstrong function, Armstrong number function, Armstrong number, okay. In here we pass the value, that is the number. Okay, then we define our function public static void and the Armstrong number, the function. Okay, int n, and here we must define some variables. Okay, so the variables are like, the one is remainder, another one is like sum. We must doing the sum here like this, 1 cube plus 5 cube. Okay, so the sum must be initialized to 0 by default, and we make a copy of the input in temp, and we use the double data type to find out the number. Okay, no, sum is okay. Now here we go. Then we define while loop. While loop runs until n is greater than 0, till n is greater than 0. Then we must find out the remainder, rem, remainder equals to n, the initial number, modulus 10. As we discussed earlier, it gives us the remainder. For example, if we give the number 153, then the remainder is 3. Okay, then we add the number. Okay, sum equals to sum plus, we use the language package, lang package of Java, which has a method math.pow, P-O-W. Okay, I'll write this first, math.pow. Okay, in here we give the remainder, comma, the power we have to give, that is 3. Okay, math is the class of the lang package. Lang is by default already imported in Java. We do not have to import that package, and it has a method POV, that is power. Okay, in here we give two variables. The first is the number that we want, the cube or square or anything, and the second is the 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 cube or the square of the number. Okay, that we want. Then we deduce the number by one digit from right. To do so, we should divide the number by 10. Okay, okay, then we use the if else condition. If the initial number, what is the initial number? Temp, as we copied initial number in a new variable temp. If temp is equals to sum, then the number is Armstrong number. Then the number is Armstrong number. Okay, else the number is not an Armstrong number. Number is not an Armstrong number. Okay. Okay, in here, firstly, as the buffer reader class throws input output exception, you must take care of that. Input output exception. Okay, now compile the program, Java C Armstrong dot Java. Okay, then run the program. Armstrong. Okay, let's give the input like 153. Firstly we give 153. 153 is an Armstrong number as we discussed here. Okay, now let's give 179. 179 is not an Armstrong number. This, so thanks, thank you all of you. Hope you like the video. Please hit the like button. Please make sure to comment on the video, share the video, and subscribe the channel. Thank you.